Now, our whole culture is currently being convulsed, rightly, I think, over an offence committed more than 3 decades ago against a young woman of 13, a girl of 13, by a famous man who was stupid enough to try and sue Vanity Fair and thus incurred my curse and displeasure. It's good that such an argument can go on for so long, I think, legally and morally, because it shows that individual rights are paramount too, just as it was right that France should convulse itself and suspend all other business until the question of Captain Alfred Dreyfus had been settled one way or another. It shows not just that justice is important, but that the individual is the only unit of currency in which this kind of thing can be discussed. Now, the very best I found you can say in Mr. Polanski's defense would be that there was some kind of sick complicity involved, that either the girl or her ambitious parents or the general context of permissiveness or something of the sort gave him the feeling that it was probably okay or not that bad to give her a muscle-relaxing drug as well as some booze. And then don't ask yourself why he wanted her muscles relaxed, please, because then you'll have to read the court transcript and you'll find out. And it's pretty horrifying. And I think people are quite right to be instinctively outraged, to think, no, if I can think of the worst thing I've ever done, you're already thinking of it. The thing about yourself you'd least like to have generally known? Complete silence. Very satisfying. Most of you, I imagine, are thinking, yeah, but I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't.